Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be showing you how to install a charge pipe to an N54. You're probably watching this video because you found out that the stock charge pipes are made of plastic and they're very prone to cracking when you go up to more power like stage 2, etc. In today's video I'll be showing you how to replace your plastic charge pipe with an upgraded aluminium charge pipe. As you can see on these diverter valves, you can see that there's a lot of buildup here. Fortunately, with the new upgrade, we're going to have like a new pipe joining these two together on the new charge pipe, and we'll be using just hose clamps. So hopefully then there'll be none of this leaking. But you can see here, this actually looks clean enough on this side. So we're going to start by loosening this. You'll see two arrows pointing towards each other. You just want to pull the grey clip at the bottom away so that they're not pointing towards each other and they're not in line anymore. And then that stuff should start coming loose. Like that. So we're just gonna go around and do that all across here. Okay, so the original charge pipe is out finally, and we've discovered this cool thing that I've never seen before. It's called a sound generator. Now, if it's a Finnick or not, we're going to have to find out, but we are going to unfortunately remove it because the new charge pipe doesn't have an open slot for that. So I'm going to remove this and transfer all the little parts that we need over to the new charge pipes, so things like the place for the sensors, and add also new pipes for the diverter valves. over on the bench.
What do I say?
I don't know.
This. It's a boy.
On to number 3. Yay!
That's because I got it ready for you.
Like, surely this like would move like easily across. Minutes. This only takes 20 minutes.
Who said that?
Don't know. Some guy I know.
Statue of Liberty.
Some guy I know said it only takes 20 minutes.
I'll have to figure out how the Statue of Liberty stands. Hold on.
Wait, I think you need liquid molly.
Dun dun dun.